Today, a short update on click-through ratings over the last year or two. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. And on the chart here, you can see it was sent over by my friend Jacob Privet. Thank you, Jacob, for always sending us cool graphics and things. And on this chart, you can see like what happened in 2019 versus 2020. And there's some interesting conclusions you can draw from this chart here. And I'll go through some line item numbers, but the conclusion, just to make this really short and sweet, people are not clicking on ads as much as they did when it comes to both sponsored products and sponsored brand headline ads. So the trend year over year is down 12% for sponsored products, and it's down 27% for sponsored brands. So that's a really interesting tidbit of information. So why is that? Well, my perspective, I think it's just because there's so many new things to click on Amazon. So Amazon is introducing more clickbait, more click funnels, more things and things to go check out and look down, and funnels and rabbit holes and whatever else. So, basically it translates to there's just more things, more action going on Amazon right now. So when somebody goes over to Amazon.com and they type in any particular search, and I have an ad blocker I'm going to turn off just to present this, but when somebody types in wine glass, for example, here we have the headline ad, 4 sponsored product ads, all for high-end retail wine glasses. And as we scroll down, we can see various different products that can show up, right? But basically everything above the fold on this particular search was an ad. And with that being the case, consumers over time, once ads have existed in their current form for a while, they start to become blind. They start to scroll down and move past the ads, which definitely does hurt the click-through ratings. So just something to keep in mind when you're thinking about your advertising strategy. It also means that you need to increase your real estate buys. That means display ads and video ads increasingly become more important, because as somebody starts their scroll down, like we just did here we have a video ad showing up, and that of course means there are more things to click on, more places you need to show up with your advertising, ultimately put. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. I put out short videos like this every so often just to give you straight to the point analysis. You can hire us for advertising if you'd like. We do full service advertising management as well as full account management if you're interested. I read every single comment people leave on YouTube videos. So if you got a question about literally anything, I'll read it. Leave a comment on here, even if it's not related to advertising and click-through ratings like the topic today. And we appreciate your support and watching us. And one of my co-hosts who's been hiding under my desk here says hello. And we hope you hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Thanks.